In Detroit, Michigan, a major automotive company was preparing for the unveiling of their new production line. But just hours before the big launch, the massive stamping machine, the heart of the assembly process, broke down. Engineers, technicians, and even outside experts tried to revive it, but no one could figure out the problem. Panic filled the air. The CEO, Richard Coleman, known for his sharp tongue and dry humor, walked onto the factory floor. With reporters waiting outside, he half-joked in front of his staff, "If someone can fix this machine before tonight, I'll marry them myself." Laughter rippled through the room, but standing quietly in the corner was a 35-year-old mechanic named Daniel Brooks. Daniel wasn't the most talked-about man in the company. He worked long shifts, wore grease-stained overalls, and lived a modest life in a small Detroit suburb. But Daniel had grown up fixing broken engines in his father's garage and had a rare instinct for machines. As the executives argued and stressed, he stepped forward. With calm confidence, he asked for clearance to work on the broken stamping press. The CEO smirked but agreed. After all, nothing else was working. Part 2, Daniel climbed inside the machine, his hands moving with precision. He discovered what no one else had seen, a hidden crack in the hydraulic feed that was causing pressure failure. Using his own tools and makeshift adjustments, he patched it, tightened the system, and rewired a control panel by memory. Within 2 hours, the machine roared back to life. The entire floor erupted in cheers. The once hopeless launch was saved, and the CEO stared at Daniel with wide eyes. True to his joke, Richard Coleman walked up, shook Daniel's hand firmly, and said, "Well, I guess I owe you a marriage proposal." The room laughed, but in that moment, the CEO's respect for Daniel turned into something more permanent. Instead of marriage, Daniel was offered a life-changing promotion, head of mechanical operations, with a salary and recognition he had never dreamed of. News outlets picked up the story. Mechanic saves Detroit launch turns joke into legend. Daniel became a local hero, proving that brilliance can come from the most unexpected places.